Assalamu Alaikum, dear students. Alhamdulillah, in the previous class we mentioned that we would present evidence for the obligation of Tajweed through Qiyas, Analogical Reasoning, and then begin the introduction to Tajweed. So today, we will first discuss Qiyas. Qiyas. Qiyas means applying the ruling of a matter that is explicitly established, mansus, to another matter that is not explicitly mentioned, Gair mansus, because both share the same effective cause, common reason. Qiyas number 1. The Holy Quran is in the Arabic language, and reciting it contrary to the rules of Tajweed changes its correct Arabic pronunciation into an incorrect or non-Arabic form.
Pronounces ha, 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 ha. Our kha are pronouncing dad is la.
Qiyas number 2. The Holy Quran consists of both its words and its meanings. Therefore, just as it is necessary to preserve and understand its meanings correctly, it is also necessary to make every effort to pronounce its words correctly. There are many other statements of scholars regarding this subject, but now let us move on to the introduction to Tajweed. The word muqaddama, introduction, literally means that which comes before, or that which is put forward. In Islamic terminology, it refers to the front section of an army that was sent ahead of the main force in earlier times to make the necessary arrangements and preparations for the rest of the army. This concludes today's lesson. Insha'Allah, in the coming classes, we will discuss the essential things that every student should know before beginning any branch of knowledge. Stay with us, and may Allah bless you all.
يمتلح على الوقت الفؤاد توكل بجد يعزم فصيح يمتلح على الوقت الفؤاد توكل بجد يعزم فصيح